Hi friends, welcome to Ashrith Fun. So today we're gonna make a Valentine's experiment. Come on, let's go. So I'm gonna take a plate and keep the water. Okay, this is hard. Do you see this paper? I'm going to drop this paper in the water. Here it goes. Ooh, let's see if it works. Whoa! Now that's a big hole. This paper, now I'm going to drop this. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Wow. Come on, let me explain the trick here. Take the paper and fold it like this. Take your marker and draw it. Oh, of course. This is the front side. Now let's do the back side. Okay, this is hard. We have to color in the back side. Come on, let's go. Just fold it and drop it in the water. Here we go. This is the last one. I'm going to do it.